on, everybody? Don't mind the mess, but I'm thinking I'm going to start a new segment called Facebook Finds. And my first Facebook find is this RT100 Realtree Edition that I got for $100. And I already know what's wrong with it. And it's going to be easy fix, and it's going to be a pretty quick flip. But I may wait until like the Black Friday time frame when people are shopping for Christmas presents before I put this one up for sale. But this was $100. This is my first Facebook find. And my second Facebook find is all this stuff on this trailer. So I got two MM80s and I got one new frame DB30 over there. I got this two-seater green go-kart, this silver one-seater, and this yellow one-seater. I have all the parts for the silver one-seater. I have the hub and the wheel, but I got to figure out the brakes. And then this yellow one here is all together. It has the drum brake, motor's not locked up, wheels, everything. So this one is complete. I just need to see if it runs. But yes, all this on the trailer. This was $100, hour and a half drive for $100. And I know for a fact that I could clean these frames up, take the motor off, and I could sell these frames for probably $100 each. So if I get them running, I'll be looking at $250, if not $300 for both the MM80s. And then the DB30 is a little jacked up. The front forks are jacked up, so I may see if I can find some front forks for it. But if I get this one running, this will probably be another easy, probably $200 or so. So I'm gonna get all this stuff unloaded. So I can't stand working on anything dirty. So I got my little power washer, my little electric power washer, going to get them knocked out. Now that they are clean, let's see which ones run with a little squirt of starter fluid. So this one is the MM81. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so this one runs. Alright, that runs. I don't know if that sound is whatever, but it runs. MM80 number 2. Let's see if it runs. It just runs. So we're going to start with MM80 number 2 because it runs, and it runs off the gas in the tank. That God knows how old this gas is or whatever, but we're going to start with number 2 because it runs. I am curious to see under the seat cover what kind of shape the material is under it, because MM80 number 1 is in good shape. So I wonder how the shape is or why they put the seat cover on this one. Now we have DB30. Well, it runs, clearly, and it's wide open too. Why is it wide open? So it runs, so that's good. So the last one is the yellow go-kart. So let's pull that in and let's see if that one runs on some starter fluid as well. All right, so this one, what scares me the most on this particular motor is that it is full of gas. You see that? This thing is jacked tight, full of gas. And a cart that is full of gas, it's not a good sign, because it means that they put gas in it, and when they put gas in it, it didn't move after that. So another thing is, I think this clutch is stuck. So I'm gonna pop this chain off before That chain is tight as hell. I'm gonna pop this chain off before I start it. Air filter off. Let's hit it with some starter fluid. Where's the kill switch at on this? I have to pull the car plug bar off of this. Alright, so this runs too. So I got 4 motors that run. And one of them got a good carburetor. At least one has a good carburetor. And this one sounds good. It don't sound like it's knocking or anything. So, I mean, I can't ask for anything better for $100. I have one MM80 that runs. I need to make it look good, make sure the brakes work, get a chain for it. I got another MM80 that runs and looks good. The carburetor probably need to be cleaned. The carburetor may be fine on that one. I don't know. Got a DB30, the newest style with the ugly frame, that motor runs. Looks like it has a newer carburetor on it, which may be a problem if it's an Amazon carburetor. Then I got a go-kart with a motor on it that runs. And a brand new chain that was too tight. So for $100 and about a 3-hour round trip, I got 4 motors that run. I got a go-kart that needs some work done to it. But I may can even sell that frame for $50 by itself. If I decide not to do nothing with that one, I can sell it for probably 50 bucks. And somebody come pick it up. So around Thanksgiving and Christmas, I'm going to have 3, possibly 4 mini bikes for sale and 1 go-kart. So if y'all want to see me rejuvenize these, subscribe, hit the little bell button to alert y'all. But I'm going to be doing 1 video series on each one. So this one will be first. MM80 number 2 will be second. MM80 number 1 will be third. Then after those, I'll probably start on the go-kart. But I need to paint this before it gets cold. So, and then the silver kart, I don't know if I'm going to do it yet. I'll see. Maybe I'll keep it. For $100, and then a go-kart that's over there that I'm probably just going to sell or scrap as it is. But yeah, subscribe, hit the notification button, and then I'm going to get started on these series right away. So boom, they're coming. So think, build, enjoy. Peace.